Good morning, you guys. Look at the weather. It's frozen. Yung car namin, frozen. Frozen. Si Rika naghatid ng anak niya. Maganda sa kabila kasi may ilog. Ang ganda ng scenery. But ang lamig. Sheesh, buti na lang may heater. Tsaka actually, nainitan ako. Akong tanggal ng blanket. Yeah, you did?
Yeah.
I woke up so early. I didn't know that you already awake. I should have just come early.
7, but I'm asleep.
Ah?
I woke up.
You're in the...
But sleep
Yeah.
because my friend is woken up.
Yeah. Oh my goodness. Breakfast is served.
So we have some fruit.
Yes. Thank you.
Do you want some mayonnaise?
No, he's good. Thank you. Thank you, Rika. Not yet. That's a big breakfast already.
And it's going to be me till
Till lunch.
4 o'clock.
Oh my goodness. Fog everywhere, guys. Masakit siya sa mata.
Nothing to see today.
Masilaw. Yeah, nothing to see today. Ito yung fog na kanina pero sunny na dun sa kabila. Paalis na tayo. Pauwi na tayo.
Very difficult to overtake.
Yeah, we can't do overtake. So foggy. Like, ang dilim sa labas. Wow.
That truck's just appeared.
We are in the clouds.
Feel that. Oh, look at the lake.
Oh wow, they're settling on the lake. Oh, that's a good view over there. That's the clouds and that's the lake. They're just in the lake. Oh wow. That's a cool view.
That's where the fog comes from.
Oh, look at the view, guys. No. I asked you, where's your phone? Grabe, ang ganda nagsettle yung clouds sa my lake. Sobrang ganda. I see you. Yan yung cloud.
Yeah.
Stop sign.
Yeah, darling. I mean, we probably could just have driven through.
We are going through.
Mary's.
We are in Philly and we are going to have
And ice cream.
ice cream. Busog kami, guys. Grabe yung pagkain na pinakain sa amin.
The shop's open. It is in the winter.
It is in the middle of winter. Oh no, she said it's open all the time. They never close. We asked the girl.
Oh.
The last time we were here, we did ask her.
I don't remember the conversation that I've had in the last year. But
No, it wasn't last year, babe. It was a few months ago. Buang ka.
Last visit was one of the
Yeah.
right here.
It's just right here.
Park 120.
Here? Just this street.
Right here. There's the shop. Ice cream.
Ice cream shop. It's closed.
You could apologise now.
Is it closed?
Well, it's got a sign out the front, I think.
Buang ka, it's not closed. It's open, man.
Just
That's
the same one we passed yesterday.
We are going back, guys, kasi pakita ko sa inyo ang kakaibang pig farm. It's so different from the Philippine pig farm. Take din ako ng picture. Ang cute! Napakita ko sa inyo, ha? May bahay sila. They have their own house. To keep them warm. So, that's a pig farm. Makita niyo yung baboy. Para silang baka. They look like a sheep and a cow, too.
They've got their own homes.
See? Wait, so here is fine, babe. Can we just stop? That's the pig farm. Like, it's so different from the Philippines pig farm. Oh, the one there. Oh, it's
Oh
pregnant.
my god. She's about to pop.
And they even have, ayun, oh, yung mga tulog. Cute. Yeah, that's the pig farm. It's like a cow and a sheep. They're in the paddock. That one's big.
Some of them are pretty big.
Some of them are huge. My goodness, that was the pig farm. Hello.
Goodbye pies.
Goodbye, guys. Hello, Timaru. Furniture and beds, okay. Just trying what's in Timaru. We're back again in Timaru, guys. We are going somewhere. Yeah. Iihi ako. Huh? Bollocks. Dito na iwan ito na yung jacket niya. Tignan natin kung open. Naiihina ako, babe.
Yeah, we're gonna go for another hour unless somebody there.
Yeah. If they're opening in 4 o'clock, probably in 30 minutes with someone
Well,
there.
you'd have to be in there a bit earlier.
Right. Nag-stay kami dun once, guys. Yeah. Dito tayo, Timur. Inaantok na naman ako. I have to look it up.
I think I have to find it.
Tapos uwi na tayo ng Christchurch. 2 hours ba? Parang 2 hours yata.
Yeah, it's good. 2 hours in the old days.
Nari naman, okay.
Now it's nothing like
Why, meron silang-
Traffic lights, it's 2 hours 30.
Meron silang KFC and McDonald's and what's that one? Meron ding Domino's. And what was that one? May Briscoe din sila. Meron palang Briscoe. And what was the other one? Supermarket. The yellow one. What's the yellow supermarket? Park and Save. Park and Save. Malaking ano yun, guys. Supermarket. Park and Save. So parang marami naman pala sila. Kasi nga
Pack and save.
sabi nila ng mga friends, yung mga kaibigan ko, halos marami daw naman na dito sa Timaru ng mga bilihin. I mean, pwedeng bilhin ba? Kasi lagi ko siyang na-feel na maliit lang siya, tapos walang meron dito. Pero sabi lang meron. So, kaya ko tinitignan yung mga shop. Okay naman pala. May mga ano naman. Pero yun nga, wala silang shopping center dito. Like na-mention ko nung isang araw. And dito kami bumibili lagi ng cake. Kasi yun nga, antipetis cake yan, babe. My favorite siyang cake yan. Yeah. So, Timaru. Pinaantok ako yung mata ko. Naano nyo ba naman? Parang matutulog na ako. Apikit na shish. Pero sana maaga yung mga tao dito sa sa restaurant para makakuha natin agad yung jacket ni Tony. Or else, kailangan natin maghintay ng 1 oras. Tulog muna tayo. Pwede din naman. Antok. Bullocks. Diyan kami pumunta. Pero iba yung pupunta namin ngayon. Dito sila nag-golf ni Tony. Iniwan nila ako sa bahay. Ayun. Ayun. Doon niya naiwan. Bullocks. Bullocks. Pero close pa to eh. Pero parang may tao na din yata.
Drive right through here to the side.
Tingnan natin. kanya naiwan. Pumasok si Tony sa loob, guys, kung kukuha niya yung kanyang jacket. Ay, baka hindi pa. Oh no, parang wala. Sheesh. Ano ba yan? Successful! We got it! Oh, yung kanyang puffer jacket. Medyo mahal din kasi yan, guys. Worth it na kunin ulit. Ano yan sa Kathmandu. And we are going na. Hinihintay kami ni Kuya sa dinner. So, kailangan na namin umuwi right away. Eh, nakaihi din ako dun. Which is very good. Ang dilim sa CR, guys. Natakot akong pumunta. Pero wala kasing tao. Okay. We are off. Na. Back to Christchurch. Okay. At least nakuha natin, di ba?
Oh God, 2.25 hours. That's alright.
Sorry.
Too far off it.
Yep,
Maybe
yep,
we
yep.
can